Learning changes the brain. You've been learning all your life in conscious and unconscious ways, which makes you a learning expert. But has this ever happened to you? You studied a lot one day, only to find that the next day, some information or details were gone? You try your best, but you still feel like you're not remembering enough? Don't be frustrated. You're not alone. It's not important what you learn, but how you learn. We've spent a lot of time supporting students on their learning journeys from different perspectives, so we want to share some basic concepts of successful learning that are based on neuroscience, so that in the future, you have a basic recipe for successful learning. Take care of yourself. Whenever we think, a connection is built in our brain. Every thought builds a connection, so our brain is very busy all the time. Approximately 20 to 25% of our blood goes to the brain to make this possible. So if you feel exhausted from studying or learning something new, that's only natural. What can you do to nurture your brain? That's simple. Eat well and sleep well. What's not good for your stomach is also not good for your brain. Try to eat food that gives you long-lasting energy. Unlike sugar, which will give you a small energy boost and then make you sleepy. The same is true for sleeping. An active brain is good for memory retention. Make strong connections. The brain is neutral. It builds connections based on your input. This means that you can strengthen synapses by consistently engaging with certain topics. It also means that you weaken or lose connections that you don't use. This is called the concept of neuroplasticity and has both positive and negative aspects. What's the message for learning from this? Repetition. Boost your motivation. The key elements of a learning process are motivation, attention, and memory. You know best what motivates you. Is it introducing rewards or creating a goal hierarchy? Pay attention to what you're learning and focus on what's important. Eliminate distractions from your learning space and help your brain prioritize key information by using simple signals like color. The best way to store information in your brain is to involve multiple brain areas. The hippocampus for declarative memory, the amygdala for emotional content, and the cerebellum for motor function. Research shows that the social environment helps the learning process, so it might help to team up. Emotional content makes it a lot easier to remember, so make it relevant. And finally, make your learning experience multisensory by also including the cerebellum. Start by taking a pen and writing things down. Build the most connections in your brain to help your learning process. So, what are the key takeaways for successful learning? Here's a basic recipe for successful learning. Take care of yourself. Eat well and sleep well. Make strong connections. Review information repeatedly. Boost your motivation. Make it social. Make it multisensory. And make it relevant. Now it's up to you. You're the learning expert.